Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw counting. जी बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे 1 2 लिखना. पहले हम सीखेंगे कलर्स नेम. This is a sky blue color. This is a blue color. This is a pink color. This is a brown color. This is a yellow color. This is a green color. This is a orange color. This is a skin color. This is a purple color. This is a red color. This is a skin color. This is a light pink color. This is a parrot color. This is a grey color. This is a black color. जी बच्चों, ये हो गए हमारे कलर्स नेम. अब हम ड्राइंग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. आज हम लिखेंगे 1 2. आज मैं आपको 1 2 पेंट करके दिखाऊंगी. This is a red color and I paint the 1. This is 1. Second number is 2. This is a yellow color. I paint the number 2. Come and with me step by step. अब हम लिखेंगे नंबर 3. Color is purple. I paint the number 3. And second number 4. I paint the 4 number. अब हम आगे जाएंगे. अब हम लिखेंगे 5. Color is orange color. I paint the number 5. Come and with me paint step by step. This is a rosy color and number is 6. I paint the number 6. अब हम लिखेंगे नंबर 7. This is the color brown. I paint the number 7. This is the red color and I paint the number 8. 7 8. I paint the number 8. 8 के बाद आएगा 9. अब हम ड्रॉ करेंगे, पेंट करेंगे 9. This is a yellow color and I paint the number 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and last number is 10. I paint the number 10. Come and with me drawing step by step. If you like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and more educational videos. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें. Let's repeat the counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I see you next video. See you. Bye bye.